Hey, this is Rush. Okay, let's continue. Now let's look at how to edit a product. Once we push a product to our shop, how can we edit it? How can we make some changes to it? So let's go back to our products here. Let's still work with the same product that we've been working with, and let's click on Edit in Shops. So this is our visual product editor, and this is where we get to make the changes to the product after we pushed it to our store. So I'm gonna go briefly through this interface here so you can kind of see where everything is. On the left, we can click on General, and this is gonna allow us to enable or disable the product if we are no longer interested in selling it on our shop. The header is basically all the stuff that we changed earlier, which is the logo and the banner. Title text is the title of the product. So if we wanted to make a change here, let's say we're going to call it full function, and as you can see, the change is already here reflected on the right. The viewer is basically where we can customize the images for this product. So if we click on Manage, here we're going to be able to delete images, add images, but also what's cool is we can also add videos of the product. So if we have a link to this product video in an MP4 format, we can add it there, or we can actually add a YouTube video. So if we have a YouTube video of this product that we created, we can show it there. What's actually cool is that you can use Sell the Trends video editor to create videos for this product and then use them here. So you can have another way to promote the product by creating really cool videos for the product. So let's continue here and let's click on Details. This is where you can specify all the different variants for the product. So if we click on this section right here, this is basically all the options and all the variations that this product has, as well as all the prices that we want to sell these variations for. Now, we could have made all of these changes before we pushed the product to the store. So in the push to store page that I showed you earlier, we could have made all these changes at that stage before we got here, before we pushed the product. And the video that I have there that I pointed out to, the full video for push to store page, goes into detail of exactly how to use this page. So let's continue here. And text area is our description, so we can modify that here if we wanted to. And the last section is the reviews. So if for whatever reason we decide we do not want to show the reviews on this product, we can just disable them right here.